Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cavs and Songs. Today I am going to make eggless mocha cake which comes out very moist and soft. I will simply decorate my cake with 3 ingredients and it will look amazing. This cake has a very nice taste so you can make whenever you want. So let's start baking. For coffee mixture, you will need 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of whole milk and 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. Wet ingredients are 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3/4 cup of caster sugar or fine sugar, half cup of curd and half cup of refined oil or vegetable oil. Dry ingredients are 1 cup plus 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida, then 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. To measure this, you will need half teaspoon plus 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and 3 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. For making the coffee mixture, just add the coffee powder into the warm milk, give it a stir and keep it aside. Take a large bowl and sift all the dry ingredients into it. I am having a smaller sifter, so I am sifting them in 2 batches. You can sift all the dry ingredients all together. Sifting dry ingredients in a eggless cake will make it soft and airy. This process prevents lumps in the final batter. Give it a quick whisk. Now grease your 7-inch cake tin with butter and dust it with flour, or if you don't want to use flour, you can use parchment paper. Remove the excess flour. Now preheat your oven at 180 degrees centigrade on bake mode for 10 minutes. Put the wire rack in the middle placement of your oven. If you don't have an oven, you can make your own by adding 1 or 2 cup of salt at the bottom of kadhai, cooker or pot and preheat for 10 to 15 minutes and then put a stand and bake your cake for 35 to 40 minutes. On medium flame. In cooker, remove the gasket and whistle. Now in another large bowl, add your wet ingredients. Whisk till well combined. Now we will add dry ingredients and coffee mixture in batches into the wet ingredients. Alternately add the dry and the coffee mixture into the wet.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you?
Now our batter is ready.
I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come.
Now transfer the batter into the cake tin.
None of what I see is true, so I'm gonna stop.
Tap the cake tin before putting it in the oven.
Oh, I'm gonna stop stop looking at you.
Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Now our cake is done. Just check it with a knife or a toothpick by inserting it in the center of the cake. It looks super delicious and tasty. For making mocha syrup, you will need 4 tablespoons of water, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and 1 tablespoon of caramel syrup, and just give it a mix. Cool the cake for 10 minutes by covering it with a cloth so it retains the moisture. Now unmold the cake by just running a knife around the edges of the cake and then transfer it to a plate. Then if you want, you can cool it on a wire rack also. If you grease your pan properly, it will come out very easily. When your cake is completely cold, transfer it to a plate and soak with syrup. Prick the cake with a fork or a toothpick so it absorbs the syrup easily. Brush the syrup over it and on the sides. This will make the cake super moist. After refrigerating the cake in the fridge for 10 minutes, add the caramel syrup like this. Now repeat the same thing but in opposite direction. Now refrigerate for 5 minutes before adding the final decoration. For final decoration, I am using grated white chocolate and crushed gems. You can use anything to top it. So let's start decorating. Just sprinkle the toppings over it and it will look very delicious and tempting. For more decoration ideas, you can see my description box. But this decoration goes very well with this cake and it will taste absolutely delicious. Do try, you will not regret this cake. My favorite, cutting the cake. It is super soft. This cake is one of my favorite cakes. It is super delicious, do try. My younger sister decorating the cake with more gems. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Unique name for this cake is Paquinian Last Ditch Cake.